This garden is a mess, so today I'm concentrating on cleaning the whole garden and just ripping all the plants that are summer plants. I've left them this long because I've been harvesting. It's really a mess. Wait until I show you. You know that moment when the garden finally slows down and you cannot prevent it. You realize you need to reset everything for yourself also. Today I'm gonna be clearing the beds, laying down leaves. It's not only for the soil, but honestly for my mind and for acceptance. If you're feeling this season shift in your body also, let's go ahead and reset together. In the secret garden trying to pick up all the things that I need to bring indoors, and it's a real mess, but I picked up all the corridor that had all the plants that have fallen. Put this little beautiful birdhouse. It's so cute, so I'm gonna put it away in the shed. So I don't know if a mouse or something got in the shed, and I had a bag with bird feed, and it made like 6 holes around the whole bag, and there was food all over the floor, and whatever was sat there and ate every single one. They like shell. I don't know how it got in. It has to be small because the cracks are so small to get in. I put it where the food was, on top of a board. He may look at it and go, oh, I don't have food, but now I have a home, and he may actually put a nest in there, which will be hilarious. Okay, I'll take this in also. I'll put these on the floor, this beautiful succulents. Look at that. I think I want to, maybe I should bring them inside for the winter. They're both so gorgeous. I think I'm gonna bring them inside. Not smart. Put those away. It's been a good day, even though it's a little chilly. I think it feels good to just put everything to bed. I think tomorrow I'm gonna harvest all the salad and chard and things like that I have. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. It's pretty chilly. The sun is not in my yard, so I'm pretty cold. I don't have enough space to leave all these roots in here. It'll be too hard. So what I'm gonna do is put leaves so that it will treat the soil and get microorganisms on it. I don't like to put compost or anything else because it rains way too much here, and it's just a waste. It just washes away. And I'll just contaminate the Puget Sound because that's where it ends up. So I don't bother. I'll harvest all this tomorrow. Let's go to the next one. I don't know if this is only me, but every time I come in the garden, especially if I'm resetting from one season to the other one, I always say I'm gonna do a quick cleanup, and like suddenly I am having these full-blown conversations with my garden beds. It is almost like I'm having couples therapy. If you feel the same way, tell me, because coming here, hanging out, and doing the things I do to reset, it means everything to me. It just makes me feel so much better. I'm always coming out of the garden feeling way better than when I came in. So this is the bed where I have my 3 rows by the kitchen garden, and here's the new rows, the Eden rows. I ripped everything out of here, and it's right by the entrance of the secret garden. So now I'm putting leaves by this bed because I want the soil really strong to get these rows to get going. The leaves are great. They really feed the soil. I really appreciate how every single season I feel like it's its own personality. And I don't love every season, I'll be honest, but I'm trying to get the garden and trying to get my head ready for the cold months. So I just accept it and move forward. This looks like just a simple chore to do, that it is what it is and you just feel like you have to do it. But if you see how my soil transformed and it got so rich and dark this year after I did this last season, you have to try this. It is incredible. If you like real-time garden experiments, whether they're successes or flops, go ahead and tap subscribe and ring that tiny bell. I post every week and we just sip coffee and grow together. In case you don't know, subscribing to the channel is completely free. This broke so bad there. And the storm, so I'm gonna pick this up, clean it up a little bit and put it away and save it for next year. Messed everything up. I don't know, I might have to replace all of them, we'll see. Don't feel like winter approaching is the pause and the end of something. It's really the beginning. There's so much you can do indoors, and letting your garden rest and reset is an opportunity for you to do the same. I am looking at it as the life I'm living right now, and that I need to do something different to just feel better. So this will allow us to let go and get ready for the next season feeling lighter and more intentional and just growing something even more exciting because we learn things in the garden. I know I did.